and we're rolling. What is up, T gang? Welcome back to my channel. Tyra here, and if you're new, thank you for dropping in. I appreciate it. Today I'm just gonna do a quick and simple intro because I am actually rushing. It's currently 12:40 Central Time, so CST, so all my boy was on that Central Time. Yeah, you already know. But I am checking out an apartment today, and hopefully I can see a couple of different floor plans. So all in all, this video is going to be pretty short, probably all of 5 minutes, but I just thought I'd give you a glimpse into kind of the idea I'm looking for my new place. This will be the first time ever living on my own here in the next month and a half to 2 months, so I just wanted to take you guys along. So if you like this video and want to maybe see more, I probably will visit a couple more complexes, but I'm really stuck on this one. Make sure you like this video and to see more videos from me in general, whether that be fitness, beauty, lifestyle, talking a bunch of crap, whatever, chit chat, get ready with me's. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when you get when I post another video. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off now. I'm not gonna drive and chit chat because I don't have that set up, and your girl's already a bad driver. So anyways, I will check you, and hopefully they're okay with me showing the complex. I don't list it or anything like that, but we should be able to take a sneak peek into kind of what I'm looking at getting into here in the next couple of months. So I'm super excited, and I hope you are too. So let's get to rolling. This is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So as you can see, those floor plans were pretty much the same. There's little different variances in the two. They're called something different because one has a patio, one has a solarium, which is a room on the far end where the patio would be. It is now 2:32, so I was there quite a while, but I got a good idea, got pricing. Definitely think that might be the one I'll go with, but I'll let you guys know come closer to that actual time. So again, I'm at Walmart here just grabbing a few things. I'm gonna go home and clean, which is why I look fugly, is because that's what I was doing before, and she was like, hey, we have something we want to show you, like come out at 1, and I was cleaning. I was like your girl looks ratchet. So anywho, thank you guys for watching so much. I'm personally a fan of the second one, which was on the 3rd floor. Same layout, like I said, but the solarium, so I'll have extra room for like an office, I guess. But like that was so cute. It was so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. I have a lot to do, and I just look so wretched, so I'm tired of actually looking at myself in my viewfinder. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean, grab some stuff here, go back and clean, try to do some laundry because your girl sucks. But again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I have some hauls and stuff coming up for you guys and some beauty ideas, so and hacks, beauty hack videos, legit, you guys. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. T-Gain, I'm signing out. Deuces.